Fusion Play today, and today, wait, where are we? Fusion Play, what happened? Where are we?
Apparently we're in school.
Yeah, wait, who's that? Jesus! Okay.
Get the train out here!
We must have shrunken! Who are all these people?
Wait. I know who this is.
Who is it?
It's Captain Underpants.
What? This cat's very confusing.
Oh, sorry, we can double jump.
Oh, yes, remember, you can double jump twice. Oh, that's amazing. Time to run.
Oh, I'm going.
Here. Hit. Right. Looks like we got some speed boost pads. This is amazing. Checkpoint. Oh, God, all the kids. Look at all the kids screaming.
Oh, I'm doing flips. I'm doing flips.
Hey. Oh, gosh. Oh, goodness. This school shrunk.
I got whacked.
Oh, no. Wait, what?
I got whacked.
Ew. But look, Naruto.
Ah, I sent out a puddle. I sent out another puddle.
Hey, wait up for me. You can't leave it.
Whatever.
Huh?
God damn it.
Jesus Christ.
I got whacked again.
Okay, that's the first death of our deaths. Okay, I'm coming. Wait. What does the girl say? Ah! Worms are starting to break through the ground up ahead. Ew. Worms. Disgusting. Ow.
I sent out a puddle.
Shoved. And I get to see worms. That's very nice.
Ah! Why did you make me a sidekick if I just gonna keep getting bonked in the head?
Let me see.
And slipping on puddles.
Wait, what is that? George is telling me to break the bed, but if you want to buy something, you just shout it on the on the screen. Oh, okay. So, wait. Is this like a I suck. Alright. Looks like we also...
And I'm terrible at these controls right now. Like, I wish this was better on, like...
Yeah, because then you would be able to... Wait! And look what I... Okay. Look what I got, dude.
Hold on.
Look! It's a spring! Wait. Wait. You can get it from the shop! Oh, God. Oh, Jesus. Go! Okay. Let me use my spring. Smacked with the...
Come carefully. Damn it!
Alright, come on. Wait. Oh. Okay. So, I think we're supposed to be headed into the bathrooms. We gotta stop him. Alright.
Hey, look! Captain Underpants!
Hey, look, there he is! Okay, I get smacked in the head with a baseball bat. They get weapons, I get to jump.
Dodgeball. They're pelting dodgeballs at us.
Got it! That's one ahead.
In order to clear the...
Yes! Fusion, you there? Fusion! Okay, finally! Where are the clear simulated bridges on my line in air? Woo! Hold up, everybody. Sorry! Stuff happened. Anyways, there's a giant again. No, I'm done. I'm done. There's puns everywhere. Dear God. Wait, it says, you gotta dance, girl. You stay on the golden path.
It just kicked me out of the game.
Oh.
Damn it.
No! Alright, hold up, everybody. I gotta invite him. So was kind of a failure. We're gonna play the second game. So Captain Underpants. Oh, we got this. Okay, give me a second, y'all. Gotta make sure. Oh, wait, what? Oh, give me a second, y'all. I gotta finish this. That way I can get to my friend. Yeet! I forgot that I already played through this off camera, so that way I can be able to show Ian how to play this. The secret or there's nothing in that.
I'm coming.
I'm getting. Okay. Are you here?
Remember me?
Here. I see you. But there. You stink. Okay. They messed up with the spelling. They made him into a superhero. It was funny at first, but oh god. Oh Jesus.
Here's
Oh.
Spooky Pants.
Yeah. So. Wait. Why was it a turtle toy? Dear God. Anyways, time for. So yeah, we forgot to play this on.
I'm in city.
All right. Oh shit. So.
It was on your head.
Give me a second, y'all. Gotta do that. So we gotta go get some candy. Knock, knock. Open the door. Okay, that's one person. We gotta do 15 houses in total. There's Peter Griffin. I'm not gonna say.
It's up. Slow down. Wait for me.
Yeah, but it's very fast. All right, another one. Trick or treat. Give me your candy. I don't care.
I just met Angel.
Nom 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 nom. Anyways, we got some more houses, and also there was a stand of papyrus. If we actually find it at the last one, we'll be able to find them. Oh, found him! Found him! Where are you?
I'm really getting candy everywhere.
Okay, come with me. Sorry about my game being laggy, y'all. Follow me.
I found Rick and Morty.
Oh
I
my
found Rick.
I feel like we should add that into our thing. Here it is! Here it is! Look! Over here! Over here! Over here! Look over here! Get over here! Get to where I'm jumping! Now! Get to... You missed it! You could have gotten Sands of Papyrus!
I found Mario.
Yeah, but come on! You gotta see Sands of Papyrus. Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on!
Okay, I'm coming.
Look! Over here! Over here! Look! Look!
Hey, how's it going?
Yes, Sands! What's up? Okay.
Hey, who's this one?
Nope.
Eddie.
Let me in. Okay, why is that there? Yes. All right. Woo. All right. I just had to do a.
Everyone just heads up. This is like a late Halloween special, all right?
Yeah, it's kind of like a late Halloween special because we forgot to play on Halloween. So if this is coming out very late, we are very sorry. Why did I say sorry? We're very sorry that we came up on such short notice. So just saying this is like a. No, wait, there's one. We have to do Roblox, and it's over here. Gotta double jump over this fence. Gotta run over to... Here we go! Roblox! Once you have all the candy... There should be an arrow pointing to where the gate was.
That guy really showing me saying it's free.
Ian, you might want to come over to the gate. I found something. Running this candy tail. Anyway, you know what to talk to. Come on. Oh, wait. Oh, we're headed to the school. As you guys don't know, we had to cancel it. We'll try to play it at the end of this video again because Fusion kind of got kicked out. Oh, look. These guys can as alter ego.
I know that's you.
So we could host this. Okay. Yes, sisters. Wait, what? Just
Explore this place.
Get me up to something.
This kid, he's dressed up as Rick.
I literally think we should add this. Should we, guys? Like the video? We should add this right now, boys. Oh, look!
You can Rick for Rick and Morty here, everyone.
Is it? Oh, Oh, it's the
That's my name.
giant.
It's place.
Get it? All right.
What?
What the hell? Hell? Oh, what in the? Oh, hello, monsieur. Hello.
Hey! Remember me? The turbo toilet?
And not really, brother.
You blew me up using the power of music. I'm back as it goes. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Yeah, you could try. You don't
Oh,
have
pause fight! Pause fight!
time. Yay! Flick the toilets over to him. It's the only way to defeat him. Yay!
You blocked me!
Come on! We gotta hurry! Ugh.
You blocked me again! I'm slipping on puddles again!
Okay, just dodge the puddles and, the bananas.
I gotta hit the toilet! Ah!
Hit the toilet with the toilet. Get it?
Ah!
Okay, that was a good pun. That was good. Good.
Ah!
Yeet.
I fell yet again in the school.
Just go for the longer planks. They're much easier. Yeah, this bro's not that fast. Come on. Oh, oh! I hit him. I hit him with the toilet even though it was down. Yeet. 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 I so badly want to play the audio for this, but in count I have to put on my headphones, and I don't want to do that. So, gotta. I wish we could do like a time lapse. It would be much easier to, get everything in order. Oof. You there, Fusion? You there, Fusion? Fusion? I think he's just in the zone. The auto zone. Ah! Wait, can I hit it again? Okay, well, that sucked. Anyways. Yay! Last dig! Let's go! Ah. Oh, sorry about that. Give me a sec. Okay, so apparently Fusion died, so that means I have to be doing this video by myself, sadly. So, if you guys still want Fusion to be in the videos, like the video, okay? Alright, anyways. So, yeah, oh, Portable Best Kitty! Yay! Alright. So, I'm also going to be playing these games. I might be playing them by myself, might be playing without Fusion. Let me know if you guys want to, oh, what's this? Oh, the best house of trick-or-treat is this way. I'll meet you guys up there. Bye! Alright, we made it out. Get the checkpoint. I don't think that, everyone. We had a bit of difficulties, but now we're going to be doing random friends. That's how it is. Oh,
It is the class doors.
crazy about this game. Yeah, and who knows? Maybe me and Fusion might do a game on doors. If you guys want that, let us know. All right, there you are. I see you in the crowd. Anyways, come on. I think the shipping.
Say nothing. Let's go. Oh, the
Right here.
controls.
Wait, wait. Oh, I thought that was Maggie for a second. I would have been like, Maggie, is that you?
Oh, we're off to Oddworld.
This is gonna be so epic. Anyways, I'll cut to where.
So, how's it feel to go to Oddworld, huh?
I think it might be pretty good. I mean, we'll be able to see everything, and I mean everything. I'll cut to where we're on the bus. All right, everybody. See ya. All right, we're going into the game. I mean, not the game, but into Oddsworld, because it's a good game. This will be so amazing. I'm so excited.
Oddworld, here we come.
Oh, this is gonna be so good, everybody. If you guys like Oddsworld, like and subscribe, because we're gonna be doing more videos on that Oddsworld. Come on, the last player, get ready. If the last player actually leaves, then we'll have game starting. Yay! All right. Oh, this is
There we
gonna be
go. On
so
our way to Ottawa.
exciting.
Why are we not sitting next to each other?
Well, yeah, because apparently they think we're gay. Yay! We're
Let's
good.
keep
Good
following
odds.
the
We're
sign.
good. Good odds. We're good odds. We're good odds. Well, look at. Wait. Uh.
Hey, where you going?
Wait. Why are we going down there? Wait. Wait.
Hey, what the? Hey, where's that? Oh, ah!
Uh.
Oh, my head.
We should. Where are we?
Huh? Welcome. I need your help. Who said that?
Who said that? Ow, my head still hurts.
What was that?
Oh, oh no!
My blocks fell over. All you have to do is find them and put them back. Good luck. That
Okay.
shouldn't be too hard. I mean, all we're doing is just putting blocks away.
Yeah, look, there's two
Am I
blocks
right?
over there. Oh, look, there's a block over here I could get. All right, give me this.
Whoa!
Give me this.
What is this?
What is what?
I found this huge cardboard cutout here.
Okay, there's this dude taking all my blocks. Just get this one. This
Oh,
one.
this place is pretty cool. Why didn't we come here?
Yeah, I get it. All right.
Hey, I found some blocks. I found 2 blocks.
I don't know how many you found so far. I found a lot. I think it was 4, maybe? Let's see.
Follow the arrows. Yeah. Alright, place these blocks here. There we go.
I'm coming back. Just gotta make my way.
Oh, we got 2 blocks so far. Those are the ones I put down. Hey! Someone took a block that was in here.
Oh, I got it. I got 2 more blocks. Wait, L was found?
What was that?
Wait a minute. I have a box on me. What? Wait.
What's that noise?
The heck? Don't follow where that sound's coming from. Who knows what it could be?
Hello?
Fusion, don't follow it. Where did you go?
Hello?
Fusion?
Oh, back it up. I'm back where I started.
I'm coming. There you are.
Hey, there's another way over here.
Yeah, that's where I went. But apparently, oh wait, come on. Let's just go this way. What did you even see? Tie was found. Who's finding them?
Well, I did see a cutout at the beginning.
Oh, we found them all.
Oh, thanks. Hopefully Blue didn't get you too many.
Who
Blue?
Wait, what's that? What
Oh,
is that?
oh, there's a log!
Slenderman, is that you?
Hey, Slendy, what are you doing here?
Who is that?
Get some rest.
Oh
You need
no,
me for
4
tomorrow.
people were taken.
What's Blue?
What is going on? I'm guessing that's why we need these boxes.
But who's Blue? That's what I'm wondering.
I don't know. I'm gonna go to the shop and see what I can buy. I'm gonna buy the mystery box.
That's not gonna happen.
Wait, what's going on? We didn't even get much sleep.
Sounds like Green is awake.
I'm guessing
that thing was Green?
saw.
I think he knows you're in there.
Shoot.
No need to worry about him. Though, he's blind. How can he catch you if can't see you?
He could probably still feel, smell, taste.
But how can we tell where this Green is?
Don't.
Hey, is that?
2 food bags.
Yeah, I'm going this way.
Hey, wait. Wait up for me.
I don't like these claw marks. Yeah, I'm gonna hide in these vents. Also, what was that noise? What was that?
Another food bag. Yeah. Got 3 food bags.
Oh, that wasn't here before.
Yeah. There you go.
Hey, look at this.
Another food bag. Oh,
What was that?
what is that? Get your box! Get the box! 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 Oh, yes! Wait! Oh no, I died!
Can't pay a phone. Who Blue is?
Yeah, the fancy ate me! Why did you do
Oh,
that?
it just went past me. It just went past me. That was close.
Yeah, but I died!
I don't think it's supposed to get in this way.
Oh, he's right there. I suggest you don't make a sound. Right? He can still hear. Taste us.
I don't think he can hear. How does he even get here? He doesn't have any ears.
I mean, you know how things can hear. They can still. Okay. The problem is, I don't have any diamonds to come back.
Hey, mind if I join along?
Yeah. Okay. Okay, let's get back to the lobby. But I'm sad. Wait a minute, the picture! That picture thing! Like now I know. Yeah, look!
Who's first friends? Oh,
Anyways,
I got scared for no
let's get
reason.
back to the lobbies. That way we could just die to one of them. So that way we'll be okay. There's Blue. Go give him a hug. Wait, kid, go give him a hug. We have to get back. Yeah, we gotta do the
I'll
outfit.
tell you about the guy.
All right,
Nope, he just ate me.
get back to the lobby. I'll meet you there. All right, now I just gotta wait for you. Gotta see if I can find you. Blue.
End up in the same lobby.
There we go. There we go. All right. All right, come over here. Come here. Come here. I just put someone down. Get over here. Get to where I am. Get to where this weird color box is. Come on. All right. Thank you so much, everybody, for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, like I keep saying, thumbs up and subscribe. I want to see if I can make it to 50. Excuse me. I'm a bit having a cold right now, but let's see if we can get to 10 or 50 subscribers or likes.
Also, comment down below if you want us to play more Rainbow Friends.
Yes, we'll try to beat him tomorrow. We'll try to beat him next time. So you know.
Rainbow, no!
Bye, everyone.